Hello guys, Standard 6, Chapter number 15, Water and its Importance. So guys, we are going to start this chapter, but before we start, let's discuss about the few things. What is the learning objective? That means at the end of this chapter, what we people will learn. So at the end of this chapter, we will learn about the importance of water, how water is available on the earth planet, where we get water from, what are the uses of water, and what are the ways that we can conserve the water, right? That all the things we will discuss, we will learn at the end of this chapter. So here first one is matching. So this matching students will do in homework, right? Just do in textbook. So here our first topic is how much water is available. So we can see that we on our earth planet 30% to 25% is earth, that means land, but 70% earth surface is covered by only water, that means ocean or sea. So guys, there is one question, total how much amount, that means how many liters of water present on the surface of earth. So it is 1260 and 18 liters, that means it is called as quadrillion, 1260 quadrillion liters, right? But here if we discuss about the out of total water, right? So suppose कि हमारे पास total water में से whatever water we have on the earth surface, out of that 97% of all the water is on in oceans, that means suppose पूरी अर्थ के ऊपर 100 लीटर वाटर है तो उसमें से 97 लीटर विल बी इन oceans and sea, right? But this water is salty water. It is not useful for drinking and household activities because it is very salty. So how much water is fresh water? So on the earth surface only 3%, that means अगर 100 लीटर वाटर है उसमें से 3% वाटर इज फ्रेश वाटर, दैट मीन्स कि वी कैन यूज इट for the household activities, for drinking, whatever it is, right? 3% water is only for the fresh water. अब उसमें से 3/4 पार्ट, जो 3% है उसमें से 3/4 पार्ट ऑफ दिस वाटर इज फ्रोजन इन स्नो एंड आइस ग्लेशियर्स ऑन द माउंटेन्स, राइट? ये जो फ्रेश वाटर था ना उसका 3/4% जो माउंटेन्स में है. अब whatever for water we have, so it is in underground, in aquifers, in wells, right? So now it is very less amount of water we can use, right, which is found in lakes and rivers. So very small portion of water is available for us for the daily uses. And what is aquifers? Aquifers means the little pores which is present in the soil, in underground, right, where water is available. But this portion, this freshwater wala portion is also contains thousands of liters of water, right? but still it is very small amount as compared to the available water. That's why we can see in the diagram the 97% ocean water, which is salty water, rest of fresh water is 3%, उसमें से 2% nearly in glaciers, and rest of 1% is present in river, lakes and groundwater, that means in well, right? So we can see that is very less amount of fresh water is available for us. One more thing, so what's about the air, about the rainfall? Water is also present over there. Yes, little amount of water is present in water vapor, in air, in moisture, in the atmosphere, right? Little amount of water is also present in food that we drink, that we eat, and in our body also water is present there, right? So if I say ki how much water is present in our human body, so it is 65%. That means ki what? Suppose your weight is 100 kilogram, so water will be 65 kilogram. Suppose your weight is 50 kg, so water will be 32.5 kg. That means our body is made up of water. And to keep our body healthy, what is required? We need to drink too much amount of water every day, nearly 3 to 4 liter minimum. So it keeps our body healthy. So okay guys, let's start new topic. Here topic is, where do we get water from? So guys, as we know that 70% of water quantity is present on the earth's surface, right? But this all the water is not useful for us. So what are the main sources of water that we use? What are the usable water? So there are main two types of the sources of water, which is surface water and groundwater. So let's discuss what is the meaning of surface water. Surface water, that means nowadays we can see it is rainfall, right? बारिश आती है तो सरफेस के ऊपर, ग्राउंड की सरफेस के ऊपर देर इज रन ऑफ वाटर. दिस वाटर विल बी स्टोर्ड इन लेक्स, ponds, streams, rivers, check dams, reservoirs on the rivers. Little reservoirs are right. In our Morbi town, if we discuss, so we have reservoirs, dams, Machu 1, 2 and Machu 3, right? These all are called as dams, which stores the water. So this is called as surface water. Surface water, that means which is water which is above the ground, above the surface of earth. So here ocean and sea is also present, but this water is very salty, so we can't use for the commercial purposes या तो industrial purposes या तो for drinking या household activities. So this salty water is not useful, right? Now next one is groundwater. So what is groundwater? Groundwater that lies under the ground, not above the ground, right? So what happens after the rainfall, या तो when we store the water in dams, check dams, river, right, in oceans, the water will start to seep. मतलब ये जो water है ज़मीन के अंदर slowly अंदर सीपेज होता है, अंदर उतरता है ज़मीन के अंदर, राइट. एंड देन इट विल बी स्टोर्ड इन द स्पेस बिटवीन द सोइल, इन सैंड, रॉक एंड सेटल्स वेयर ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल इज. तो ज़मीन के अंदर एक ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल होता है जहाँ पे वाटर फ्लोस चलता रहता है, जैसे कि कुएं में, वेल में होता है. तो 300-400 फीट, 300-400 टू मतलब कि 50 फीट से लेके 500-600, 1000-2000 फीट तक देयर विल बी अंडरग्राउंड वाटर, जो हमारे फ्लैट के नीचे वी आर यूज्ड टू पंप इट, राइट. सो वो ज़मीन के अंदर देयर इज अ वाटर फ्लो. दिस वाटर फ्लो इज कॉल्ड एज वाटर टेबल. So guys, you understand well about that key, how underground water has been taken out, right. There is one storage inside the ground. This is called as groundwater. Now turn your page. Here you can see in the picture there is groundwater and surface water in the picture. So just label it, guys. Whatever water is given, just write down GW for the groundwater and SW for surface water. This is your homework, right? Now guys, let's see today's homework. Take out MCQ in the exercise. Here first MCQ is the percentage of water, of fresh water on the earth. So how much percentage of water is present on the earth's surface? Find it out from today's topic that we have explained and TikTok in this textbook, right? No need to write the MCQs in fair notebook. Then second MCQ, potable water is unfiltered water collected from aquifers, filtered fit to drink water, water from the oceans. Find out the answers also, right, and write it down in textbook. Then turn your page. Now in very short answer type questions. Question number 2. Sources of fresh water. So write down 2 examples of the sources of fresh water in textbook. Then come to the section 2. Look at distinguish between the following. So here first one is surface water and groundwater. So first of all, make a part. Guys, one more thing here, when you start to write short questions and long questions, what you have to do, keep 2 page blank for the short question answers, 1 page for distinguish, and rest of for long question answers, right? So whenever I assign homework, suppose we'll write down short question 1 and long question 2, so you have to write short question in short question वाला part in the first and second page के अंदर, और third page will be for distinguish, and fourth से बाकी pages will be for long question answers. So there will be part for long, short and distinguish, right? So you can read it easily during the exam time. So here surface water and ground water. So the first write down definition. Surface water means the water which is available on the surface of earth is called as surface water, and ground water, the water which is below the ground, which is under the ground, it is called as groundwater. Now about the examples. So surface water का examples will be oceans, seas, pond, river, dams, right? These all are surface water. And groundwater, so bore wells, aquifers, right? These all are called as groundwater. And groundwater is also called as water table. There is water table present inside the ground. So this was today's homework. Okay guys, thank you, have a nice day.